Hey everyone, my name's Amy and today I've got an awesome recipe for you guys, and it only requires stuff from your pantry, and it is pumpkin mac and cheese. Now let's get started. So to make the sauce for a pumpkin mac and cheese, we're going to need to use 1/2 of a can of pumpkin or butternut squash, as I'm using here. We're gonna need 1 full can of white beans, either cannellini beans or navy beans, and we're gonna make sure to drain it before we throw that in. And then the last thing we're gonna throw in for the base of our sauce is 1 cup of plant milk. You can use soy milk, almond milk, cashew milk, or in this case, oat milk. All of it tastes really good. Blend that together and that'll be the base for our cheese sauce. After that, we're going to add in some flavors. We're gonna have to add in 1/2 tablespoon of miso. This is gonna add a slightly salty and wonderful umami taste. We're going to add in onion powder and garlic powder. These two are staples in a lot of different things because they add a lot of good flavor to it. Then we're also going to add in 5 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. This is where we're going to get that cheesy-like flavor. Blend that all up so that it gets nicely mixed together, and then that is your sauce. You're gonna wanna heat this up either in the microwave if you're just having it for yourself the way that I do it, or you can pour it into a pot and heat it up on your stove. Now let's work on that pasta. So follow the instructions for the whole wheat pasta that you're using and make sure to cook them till they're just done. My favorite way to enjoy this pumpkin mac and cheese sauce is either to put it over whole wheat pasta with broccoli, or I've even been known to mix it into broccoli and whole grains like quinoa or barley, and that's delicious too. Alright, so I really hope that you enjoy this recipe and that this recipe is something useful for you during this time of not being able to go to the grocery store as much. And I hope that you always remember to love God, eat greens, get moving. Enjoy this recipe.